Hi everyone, you're watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a
caramel pudding, or you can call
cream caramel with the condensed milk. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. First of all, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients. 400 gram of condensed milk and 4 eggs. I got some white sugar to make the caramelized sauce, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and
1 tablespoon of water
to make the caramelized sauce. So first of all, I'm gonna do the
caramel sauce.
So let's see how I'm gonna do it. So I have my hot pans. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my white sugar and just mix it a little bit. Don't let it burn. And then you're gonna add some water. Make sure you mix it properly. Keep mixing. $50 of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. So if you feel like if you want to add more water, you feel free to do it so. But don't let it burn. Just keep stirring it and keep it for a while. As you can see, that it's getting browner around it. Make sure you don't let it burn. I'm gonna give you a trick. Make sure you spray this one a little bit oil spray. Then it's gonna easy for you to take off from this pan. Once it's done, the caramelized sauce is getting there. It's nearly ready. The golden brown color is the perfect stage to take it off. See that this is the perfect color, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour out into the tray. So be careful, guys. As you see, it's really hot. Do not touch this one. It's gonna burn your hand easily. So make sure you spread out. You feel free to make more if you have to. So this is gonna be enough because once it heated up, it's gonna spread evenly. Let's move to the next steps. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make
Pudding mixture.
so main 3 ingredients is condensed milk, egg and the vanilla essence. This condensed milk already has some sugar, so you don't have to add some sugar. I'm gonna pour out this condensed milk into the bowl. I add some water because I want to reduce the thickness, and you can get all of the condensed milk from the tin. And you add it up here and wash it off. Make sure you use the warm water or cold water, but don't use the hot water, otherwise egg gonna get cooked here. I'm gonna add the vanilla essence here, and I'm gonna add 4 eggs. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give a nice mix. So you can whisk it thoroughly. So you can whisk it properly. Then you're gonna get the caramelized sauce bottom's pan, and you're gonna pour up into the cooking tray. Now I'm gonna grab this one and I'm gonna steam it. It's as you wish. You can bake this one or you can steam it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna steam it up there. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. This is my hot water pot. So you can cover this one with the Glad wrap, or you can just put it out here and cover it. So as you see, my steamer is on. So I'm gonna cover this one, and let's see after half an hour what's gonna be the outcome. This is after 30 minutes, guys. So I'm just gonna try it. It's need to be a little bit cooked more. So I'm gonna leave it for another 10 minutes and let's see how it's look like after 10 minutes. This is after 40 minutes. Oh guys, it's perfectly cooked. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna place it up. This is my caramel pudding. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up now. I'm gonna show you a little trick. So what you have to do, just get your plate, whatever plate you want to plate it up, put upside down and hold it carefully. It's really hot. Make sure you hold it tightly and turn around, guys, like as it is. I'm not sure about it's already take it off from the tray. Just give a nice tap. It's not coming down. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the chopping board and put the tea towel and just gonna give a nice tap. This is how we make the caramel pudding. I hope you guys know how to make the caramel pudding now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna taste this one and see how it's the taste like. I'm gonna grab the piece of caramel pudding. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful, guys. Oh, it's really it's really nice. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys gonna make this caramel pudding at your home with the condensed milk. So thanks guys, thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. So I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye. Thanks.